3, 2, 1. Welcome to the Forex Trading Show. Forex trading live every weekday morning. Real trades, real profits, zero analysis. Set back, relax, and get ready to profit. And now, your host, Terry from FXWithTerry.com.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Free signal trade launched yesterday has closed in profit. NZD CAD buy trade. This one ended. It was a relatively short trade, $25.82. You could have taken that trade at any lot size you want. So the system is fully scalable. We do not have an open free signal trade right now. I will launch one shortly. Let's take a look at what is going on with the overall market. I'm going to look at the entire algorithm that I offer. We'll look at this together and see what's playing out. So about $750 in drawdown. That is certainly low to middle of the road in terms of what the market is doing. What do we got here? Two and a half dozen trades in play. So decent amount of volume. The big thing is we've got the volume. You can see you've got the drawdown, $750. And again, that's not the drawdown that you would have. You'd have whatever you're bidding, and the likelihood of you trading every one of these 22 currency pairs at the same time, or at least having a big enough count to do so, is extremely low. So it's closed a low amount overnight, $90.45. For the week, $2,417.95. So that's pretty impressive. That's impressive, of course, if you have a big enough account that can handle 22 currency pairs. Medium to low amount of volume, like I said, $750 drawdown, and that's just a reference. Again, that's not the drawdown you would have. You could be bidding 10 times less that and have, $70 drawdown. So not too big of a deal. Let's look through the list and see what I want to launch as far as free trades go. AUD CAD jumps out at me. Let's see how close that is to take profit. Not bad. That's probably something I would jump into. Let's see what else we got. CAD Chief looking good, although that's extremely slow. CAD JPY, Euro CAD. And this also kind of gives me the opportunity to do something that if you're trading my system, you can sit here and see how many pairs deep, how many trades deep each pair is. Euro USD is really only a couple. GBP JPY has given us a little bit of a run, but we're not really trading that right now in terms of any feeds that we're pulling off of this main algorithm. GBP USD looking good. Let's go take a look at that. So that is a sell trade. Not a lot different than that trade we just looked up at the top, which was AUD CAD. So let's take a look here. NZD JPY. Yeah, it looks like that's what we're going to go. AUD CAD. So we'll do AUD CAD. It is the second trade in the sequence. I will launch this here from my end. AUD CAD. I think we're going to jump into the second trade. That's correct. And here we go. You will also have seen, if you're paying attention to the Discord group, you will also have seen that that just got posted in the Discord group. We'll go confirm that. So our AUD CAD buy trade, you can do it right now. Your take profit is 0.90024. 0.90024. As far as Discord group goes, let me do that. Let's go here. There we go. And in terms of the Discord group, over on the left-hand side menu, trade signals free. So here's what we just posted. New order, AUD CAD buy trade. TP says 0.90024. I don't know why that seemed different. It's not. It's exactly right. So this is how the free signal will be coming out. You'll see this in the group. You can see this last one. We were in an NZD CAD. It closed due to take profit. And then I'll give you a little screenshot here of this was a buy trade. So the buy was placed over here. You can see this green box is where the price traveled to, and then the automated system took profit. Completely automated. And that did 37.8 pips on that last one. So we're going for 12.6 pips on this one. And that can fluctuate based off of whether we add any more AUD CAD trades. You saw the overall algorithm. There are actually 2 AUD CAD buy trades right now. We're just jumping in to the most recent one because that is also the most recent take profit. You can do that. That's what's cool about my system. If you missed the first trade from the algorithm, which you wouldn't if you were using my automated system, you wouldn't miss anything. But if you look at the overall system and you missed a trade, and when I say missed it, I really shouldn't say that. If there's a basket of trades in play, let's put it more specifically, you can jump into the last trade in that basket right now, not having been in any of the previous trades, and you'll still do extremely well because the direction is always right and the take profit is always right with my system. Always. It's never wrong. It is never wrong. So that's looking really good there. As far as history goes, $867. In fact, I'll come back here. $867. I'm sorry, saying it wrong. $887.15 is the amount of profit we've extracted from me sharing this free signal. So that's pretty amazing for the week. And for the month, $1,046.34. Mostly because we just started a brand new month here. It's only the 5th, not even the first full week. So yeah, that's it. Pretty straightforward. We have, let's pause this for a second. I'm going to glance at the gold trade that we are in. So this has pushed against us, and we'll talk about this a little bit. So what are we? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades in. Probably pushing it pretty far for most people's accounts. We have been in hedge trades. We were taken out of every of them. We were taken, price action took us every freaking hedge. So let's take a look at the actual chart here. I'm keeping an eye on this. I'm going to manually hedge this and put no stops on it. But you can see here, especially when you look at, it's a little hard to see, but especially when you look at the 4-hour chart, you can see the wicks on the top and the bottom. Just price action. The Forex market is designed to take you out, especially if you're doing what we're doing. which is hedging. So I really haven't looked to the left at all. Let's look to the left. So here's the day chart. Up, 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 and up. Nothing but up. Has it been this high in a while? It hasn't. And we are in a sell trade. Has it been this high? Is this an all-time high that we're at? Boy, it certainly feels like it. Let me come back here. What are we at? Hard for me to see this. 28. Wow. 28.74 right now. I probably am going to add a hedge here if it goes much farther. And that hedge will not have any protection, meaning I'm not going to get taken out of this one. And if I hedge, I'll probably go in, if we start at 0.01 lots, if we're at 0.10 lots, I'd probably do a hedge, probably do a buy hedge at maybe 0.20, because we're in it at, let's see, $1.80. We're about $2.50 total per pip in. So I'm watching this, but we know what gold does. Gold does this, pushes right to the bleeding edge, and then it pulls back, and this entire thing will take profit. As far as drawdown goes, $660 at a base lot size 0.01. Just about any account can handle that. But what I love, and it's time for you guys to learn lessons, is people out there trading $500 accounts and trying to trade gold. And even at a base lot size 0.01, you're $665, $650 drawdown. You got to learn. You have to learn the hard way. It was for so long that I told people with these teeny tiny accounts, and they're stacking, we're having great, beautiful market movement. And they're stacking the one profitable pair feed and the gold scalper feed on an account that's less than $1,000. And I used to say, well, my God, why would you do that? You're way over traded, way over leveraged. Everybody wants to do it. I let them do it now. Go ahead. Because the best way to learn is to learn the hard way. Gold can wreck your account very, very fast. So, if you like to stack trades on top of trades, on top of feeds, on top of feeds, on top of trades, on top of feeds, on top of big bids, you're feeling the pinch right now if you added gold to your system. Let's see if there's any other accounts I want to look at here. Stand by. I really don't see anything. The overall algorithm's doing really, really well. Gold pushing against us. But not many people with any sanity are trading gold without having at least a 5 to 10K account. But hey, that's me. What do I know? I'm just the developer of the system. When it's good, people love to jack their accounts up to huge bids. More importantly, it's not really the bid for people. It's the fact that they just want to stack. They want a lot of trades. They want a lot of trades. So here you go. Free signal been pumping along all week. Every time I launch a free signal, it takes profit. Pay attention to it in the group. I will follow up with it. You've got the trade notification launch inside the group, inside of Discord. You can see what I'm talking about here and keep up with it. And it's intended really just for you to watch. If you're brand new and you want to get involved and you want to log into the MetaTrader 4 account, that's something you'll be able to do. But even setting up your own demo account and all of this craziness, I think to myself, why have people do that? Why even suggest you do that? Just watch the system, build some confidence. You can see every trade wins, and then just simply come into the system and subscribe, and I will set everything up for you. Everything. Nothing is left to chance. So that's it for Wednesday, February 5th. I will see you guys inside the group. fxwithterry.com gets you into the Discord group. And had quite a few people actually yesterday send me a text message to the phone number on the screen, 928-842-0488. Send me a text, and they're looking at the system, and they just kind of wanted to have me on speed dial if they have any questions. So that's awesome. That's what it's there for. That's it. Appreciate you watching. I will see you tomorrow, which will be Thursday, February 6th. We'll go over the results, and I'm available in the group 24 hours a day. I'll talk to you soon.
Thank you for joining us on the Forex Trading Daily Live Show. Get access to all of the free trades with full auto trading at fxwithterry.com. Be sure to subscribe and get notified of the daily live stream. And get ready for your next profitable Forex trade.